How to see deleted messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to see the deleted messages on Instagram, simply first of all launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and then tap on the account center option. Scroll down again and tap on your information and permissions. So as you do that, you can tap on the option of download your information. So just tap on it and here tap on download or transfer information. Now select the profile, then tap on next. Here you can tap on all available information and tap on download to device. So here you can select the date range, here you can select the format of the file and then quality, and then tap on create file, and then it will be mailed to you on your associated email account. And that's how you'll be able to see deleted messages on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.